everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can avoid bans, especially if you are someone that has multiple accounts or is using Facebook ads very frequently, because sometimes some bans can happen and you want to avoid that at all costs. And I have a game changer in hand called AdsPower, which is an anti-detect in the industry serving over 800,000 users worldwide. With cutting-edge masking technology, AdsPower is devoted to changing the way websites perceive online identities and guarding your identity. So, anyone who manages multiple accounts on a single or multiple platform might have encountered account bans at some point. Well, there are numerous reasons for suspensions. The most common is that you have more than one account, which is against the rules of most platforms. But how do they find that out? How does the Facebook ad manager know that I am running more than one ad account, or I have more than one Facebook account where I am running multiple ad accounts? So this is your account overview. If you click on the top left, you can see a drop down. And if you're building multiple business portfolios, as you guys can see that I have built over here, if I ever sign up with a different Facebook account and I try to create another ad account on that, it's probably going to flag me. And the answer of your identity is through your browser fingerprints. Browser fingerprints are data collected about the software and hardware of your device, such as the IP address, font, resolution, WebRTC, canvas, and so on. Browser fingerprints, like real fingerprints, indicate an online identity. Multiple accounts running on the same device and IP address are perceived as being run by the same user, thus resulting in account bans. Anti-Detect Browser is a solution designed to address this problem, and you can open a number of browser profiles in an Anti-Detect browser, customize the fingerprints in each one of those. When you run your account in separate profiles, you are actually concealing your real fingerprints, or say your real identity. In this way, your accounts will be perceived as being operated by distinct identities, avoiding any suspensions. So, when you're using Facebook ad accounts, this is going to be an easy way to prevent bans and ensure that you're able to run multiple accounts for different businesses that you might have. So to get started with AdsPower, click on Try It Free over here. Now, when signing up on AdsPower, it's really simple and easy. All you need is an email address, whether that's Google, Facebook, or you want to input your email address, that is totally up to you. And then after that, you're going to put in your referral code, HowToDigital. Once you do that, you're just going to proceed and click on your preferred login method, and once you do, your sign up will be completed. And that is how you're going to be signing up for AdsPower. And just like so, you guys can see this is what your account dashboard is going to look like. On your left, you have multiple different profiles that you can set up. So you can click on New Profile and build your own identity for one particular ad account or one particular Facebook account that you're going to be running. And all of the details can be filled in a simple way. So not only do you have these features, but you also have other features available on AdsPower, including traffic arbitrage, affiliate marketing, crypto, paid advertising, e-commerce, betting. So you have a lot of different things that you can do. Traffic arbitrage is when you're purchasing and reselling traffic. It's an industry full of unpredictability in terms of traffic quality. So the clever strategy is to run multiple accounts, spreading the risk and getting the chance to make more profit. With affiliate marketing, deployment of multiple accounts is already no secret. Everyone knows that you want to categorize products for better product promotion and advertise each one of those through distinct but related accounts without using the same traffic. So different ad accounts. And no matter if you're investing in ideal lotteries or looking to boost your coin, multi-accounting is a smart method to earn more. You can use multiple accounts to either increase your chances of being whitelisted for an offer or complete multiple searches and requests. Now, when it comes to placing bets, bookmakers always calculate the odds in their favor without exception. To increase your chances of earning, you can place bets on the same match on different websites or make several different bets on different websites and have the same bookmaker. So with AdsPower, you have a unique way of making sure that your identity is concealed and every new identity has its own distinctive purpose. With AdsPower, they believe that industry-leading anti-fingerprinting technology is the determinant of AdsPower's success, and that is what is going to help you in using Facebook Ads Manager, because there is easy control, easy automation, synchronization, seamless team collaboration, excellent data security, as well as flexible pricing and multilingual responsive supports. So it's the most fundamental function that the anti-detect browser is based on, but AdsPower does better. It offers you iOS and Android fingerprints as well, which is an industry-leading tool. So let's say that I want to separate my brand called Meraki from my Facebook ad account, and I want to build a new account for that. I will simply name this my Meraki profile, and I can choose the OS that I want to use. I have my user agent and then the group. Then you guys can see cookies, remarks, and then your proxy. You have a proxy provider, and then you can proceed with their provided proxy, or if you have a custom proxy, you can proceed with that as well. I'm going to go with the proxy provider, and then you can click on add proxy over here, and then proceed with your proxy that can be provided via IPFoxy. So once you do that, you're going to be proceeding on to the next step, which is your platform. So you can scroll down, select Facebook, and then you can check if you have duplicate usernames and password, cookies, or C users. Enter the username and password, and also enter your 2FA key. Below that, you have your most important part, which is going to be your WebRTC, your basic fingerprints. So with those, you're just going to proceed. If you want to set up custom time zones, real time zones, or based on IPs, then you have your WebRTC. So I want it to be replaced. I want to block the location. Then I want to proceed with language based on IP. Real language, screen resolution is predefined, the fonts are proceeding, and then I can click on OK, and just like so, I can proceed. Now, another really important function of AdsPower is how simple it makes mundane tasks. With their well-developed RPA robot, you can create any automation process according to your needs and employ your ready-to-use templates for your particular proxies or identities. You can see on the left you have a synchronizer, and then below that you have your RPA. Within that, you have your processes, marketplace, scheduled, and task logs, which can ensure that you have a very nice flow of work and automation, whether that's work within your ad manager or managing your ad accounts. Not only that, but the synchronizer is only in AdsPower, a feature that you cannot find in other anti-detect browsers. It enables the synchronization of operations across multiple windows, like opening a new page, typing a text, clicking on a button, installing extensions, and a lot more. Using the synchronizer can make it easy to work with multiple accounts with just a few clicks, without costing you additional fees or additional coding. You can already control several windows at once, so you can proceed with the actual features and make the most of them with the help of AdsPower. Not only that, but they have excellent data security and seamless team collaboration, which you can find within the members section. So if you're working with an advertising team or you are a part of a larger agency, then you definitely do have the ability to add your team members with managerial groups, operator groups, and more. And they have a flexible pricing model, so you can opt for the plan that suits you the best. You can simply go into AdsPower, and if you're looking for a discount, you get 5% off on a 90-day subscription, 10% off on a 180-day subscription, and 40% off on a 360-day subscription. This flexible pricing model charges you only on what you're using, so you're not going to be paying money for features that you're not using. Only pay for what you're using and enjoy the most out of the amazing features on AdsPower, and use as many ad accounts as you need with Facebook and any other platform. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.